Well, another thunderstorm about 150 miles. I'm guessing 150, maybe 120 miles of thunderstorm out in the southeast. Well, no, southeast. They're all heading to northeast, but we're probably gonna get some of the bit of the thunderstorm over here. It's not thunderstorm yet. I'm not sure. I don't have the laptop on to notice. Notice I was taking pictures of lightning yesterday. So yeah, you're gonna be noticing me taking storm pictures in the near future for YouTube. So if you were gonna notice, check my YouTube page. I know I have some quite of Minecraft videos, and I got a Doctor Who fan film of Minecraft, so don't forget to check that out. Yeah, that's rumbling. That was supposed to be like some kind of greenish yellow, but I really don't see no greenish yellow. I see this gray.
Yeah.
Rain's picking up. Oh, don't.